Some animals just can't live without each other. Hi, it's me, and welcome to my channel. Here are 5 animals that need each other to survive. Oxpeckers and their favorite animal, the rhinoceros, have a symbiotic relationship where the oxpeckers eat the ticks and flies off the rhino, and the rhino gets a free meal of sorts from the uneaten insects. Plus, they warn each other of danger. When the oxpecker sees a lion approaching, they'll scream loudly to alert the rhino so it can run away. And if a rhino is in danger from a hyena pack, they will mob them, the hyenas, not the rhinos, to scare them off. So they kind of have each other's back. The next animal duo is the clownfish and the sea anemone. The clownfish lives within the stinging cells of the anemone and eats the leftover scraps of food the anemone catches. In return, the clownfish cleans the anemone and protects it from its predators, mainly the fish that like to eat anemones. Now anemones can actually sting you if you touch them, but the clownfish is immune to their sting, so they can live together happily. Some clownfish are even adopted by anemone colonies where they raise their young. Isn't that sweet? Number 3 is the frog and the heron. This one might seem weird, but herons often drop their prey, which includes frogs, and then the frogs hop in and gobble up the leftover bugs. Like after a frog jumps into your mouth, it's like, sorry, I called dibs. Herons are totally cool with this arrangement because they get to eat most of their prey, and the frogs get to eat some of the easier to catch bugs. Plus, this gives the frogs more energy for, being little frogs doing frog stuff. Next up is the bee and the fig wasp. Okay, so fig wasps lay their eggs inside of figs, and when they hatch, they mate with each other so that the females are pregnant before they even leave the fig. They then proceed to crawl all over the fig, stinging anyone who tries to enter. They also eat the fig's pollen and nectar, which makes the fig grow bigger and produce more figs. So they kind of help each other out. And last are the ants and the acacia trees. Acacia trees have hollow thorns that are perfect for ants to live in, and they provide the ants with a food source. In return, the ants protect the tree from any critters that try to eat it by stinging them. They also trim the tree's leaves into a shape that helps it collect more sunlight. So the ants basically work as gardeners and protectors, which makes them pretty vital to the tree's survival. Please subscribe if you learned something new today. See you next time.